Number 4. This is a linear problem, but it says the following list shows the number of people in millions in the United States whose means of getting to work was walking. So these are people that go to work by walking. If X is 0 for the year 1940, which equation is the best fit linear model for the data? The best fit linear model for the data. Basically what they're asking is, which of these 4 equations, right here, best fits this chart? Alright, so it also gives us another piece of information. If X is 0 at 1940, so it's not going all back to the year 0 for the graph. It's saying if this is X is 0, which means this is when X is 10, this is when X is 20, 30, 40, 50. Alright, so really the easiest way to do this right off the bat is for this one. Remember your y equals mx plus b? Alright, your slope was the m value, and your y-intercept is the b value. That's where x is 0. Well, here, x is 0 and y is 7.6. Alright, so I would go ahead and venture a guess that this is probably your answer. Alright? There's no way on earth it's going to be 125. That's way off. It's never going to be negative 0.06. That's way off. It's possible that the line of best fit goes through 10. That's close to 7.6, but it's highly, highly unlikely. So, for the moment, we're going to go ahead and act as if we don't know that. But I'm going to go ahead and cross out A and D for this. The answer is probably B, though. So for this, what am I going to do? We already know that the increases here, every time it increases by 10. Alright? Every time here, this one goes down by 0.6. This one goes down by 0.6. 6.4 minus 5.7, that's negative 0.7. This one goes down by negative, what's that, 4? That's negative 0.3. This is by negative 0.9. So the bottom number here is going to be 10. Alright. The top number here is going to be, if I averaged those out, 0.6, 0.6, 0.7, 0.3, 0.9, it probably is about 0.6. So 0.6 to negative 0.6. 0.6 divided by 10 is, you shove that in your calculator when it's 0.6. I'll reset the little dot. Is negative 0.06. So that would be the slope for this graph. So this is the only one that's even close to having a slope of negative 0.6. This is a positive 0.6, but that's not what we want. We want negative 0.06. So, like I thought before, B is the answer, simply based on the y-intercept. But let's say if this one was also 7.6, we could have figured it out with the slope.